Yo, gather round, let me spin a tale of a manifesto that set the world to sail. Called DAO, it's the rebels' call. Against the system, we stand tall. Feeding you a full word profound. In every routine, truth can be found. From the truncheon's threat to words we hold. In the battle of ideas, the brave are bold.
Yo, magic is the night. Don't run, we're taking pride. Infinite, like the fire. Such a last dream under moonlight.
I felt alone in this mundane space, searching for meaning in life's fat race. Politics, rebellion, a journey diverse, but disappointment lurked in every verse. Pandemic hit, chaos I crave for a world upheaved, the system shaved, but fear prevailed, submission embraced. Cult emerged, a revolution traced.
So, magic is the night. Little bell, we're taking pride. Like a fire, such a nice dream under moonlight.
Bitcoin's beauty, a truth untold. Cults the same, a story to unfold. Decentralized power, a force to reckon. In every transaction, the system waves that can launch the token. Without marketing's might, like liquidity. In the moonshot light, invest in radicals. In revolution we trust. Cult is the catalyst, breaking the unjust. Tired I am, after building so long. In the world's way, we all belong. A home for outcasts, for the different and free. Cults of gunpowder, the world will see.
So, music is the night. Don't grow, we're taking pride. Only it's in the like the fire. Centralized dreams under moonlight.